Hello. Haven't made a video for a while, so I figured I'm going to do some couple springtime cold starts. We're going to start the Craftsman mower, and we're going to start the 86 Goldwing first time this year. We shall see how it goes. Looks like it started today. A little rough, but you know, it's been sitting all winter. This one has the opposed twin. I don't know that's going to start. It's been sitting on the battery tender all winter, and it's kind of iffy. We'll give her a try anyway. The mileage is 76,990. Let's see what happens. Oh my. I think it's been started yesterday. Isn't that just amazing? I'll go over a couple of details what I've done to this thing since I've had it over the winter. I've actually installed an alternator conversion kit off of eBay, which was about 700 bucks. I'll give you a video of it if you can see much. I hope you can see that now. Pretty well hidden. We'll definitely let her warm up a little bit. Still not completely finished. Gotta put the front air scoop on it, which is up sitting on my messy bench right now. Sitting right here. There you go. I'd love to take more video of the bike, but it's still buried right now. Ready to get it out. Right now it's currently about 55 degrees outside, and I got riding fever going on right now. Also a little bit of an update I want to do. Still got my Ford Ranger. Thinking about buying a different one, but might be doing some paint on it. Want to get some ideas from you guys. Want to kind of keep it, but kind of get rid of the rattle can red that's on her. Doesn't have much rust on it, except I'm kind of suspicious that it has Bondo in here. Happy you guys can hear that. But that's can still deal with that. There's some bubbling going on right here, which does feel like Bondo. Very minimal rust otherwise. Rust right here. Some mud. This is probably obviously Bondo right here, which is really bubbled out, which will take some body work. It's got new tires on it. Some nice Kumos on it. Not going to show you the interior because it's all messy. Nothing to really look at in there. Still got to do some work on the front end a little bit. One side of the bumper is actually hanging lower than the other side, which is, I cannot quite figure out why. But, you know, overall it's been a good truck. It's got 245 or 50,000 miles on it right now. Give me some input, give me some paint ideas. I'm kind of not set on what I want color-wise, want to get some ideas off some other people. So, be a nice summer project over the summer. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you.